The story of human conflict is evolving. For centuries, battles were fought face to face, but now, a quiet revolution is underway. The battlefield is shifting to the silent spaces above us, transformed by machines that see without being seen. Enter the stealth drone, an almost invisible extension of a nation's will. These machines are rewriting the rules of engagement, making the front lines everywhere and nowhere. Strength is no longer just about numbers, but about the power to remain hidden and act with precision from afar. The sky has become a chessboard, filled with sophisticated autonomous pieces operating in the shadows. This is not science fiction. It's the reality of the 21st century. The conflicts of tomorrow will be fought by these phantoms of the air. To understand the future of global security, we must look up and try to see the unseen. The silent, stealthy revolution is happening right now, high above our heads. So, what is a stealth drone? A drone is an unmanned aerial vehicle, no pilot on board, controlled remotely or flying autonomously. Think of it as a high-tech, remote-controlled airplane equipped with cameras, sensors, and sometimes weapons. Add stealth, and you get a machine designed to be nearly impossible to detect. Stealth is about fooling enemy sensors, especially radar. These drones are shaped to deflect radar waves, often appearing as small as a bird or vanishing from screens entirely. Their engines are buried to muffle sound, and their heat signatures are minimized to evade heat-seeking missiles. Every angle and surface is calculated for invisibility. They're engineered ghosts, slipping through enemy defenses unseen and unheard. Stealth drones are the eyes, ears, and sometimes the talons of modern militaries. They represent the cutting edge of military aviation. The secret to a stealth drone's invisibility is advanced engineering. Their bodies are made from composite materials that absorb radar energy, not reflect it. Special radar-absorbent paint, filled with microscopic particles, turns radar waves into harmless heat. Beyond passive stealth, these drones use electronic warfare, jamming or deceiving enemy sensors, even creating phantom targets. They fly at extreme altitudes, above most air defenses, and use computer-planned routes to avoid detection. Sometimes they hug the terrain to stay below radar beams. Every mission is a calculated dance of evasion. Stealth drones are built to survive where others can't. Stealth drones are now operational tools for the world's top militaries. The US leads with the RQ-170 Sentinel, designed for deep, undetected surveillance. China's GJ-11 Sharpsword and Russia's Okhotnik B show a global race for stealth drone supremacy. These drones can carry weapons internally, maintaining their low profile even in combat. Russia's Loyal Wingman concept pairs drones with piloted jets, blending human intuition with machine capability. The UK, France, and others are developing their own stealth UAVs, pushing the limits of autonomy and stealth. The ability to project power without risking pilots is now a critical advantage. The sky is filling with these advanced machines, each a symbol of national ambition. Stealth drones are reshaping the balance of power. What truly empowers a stealth drone is its artificial intelligence. Early drones needed constant human control, but modern missions demand autonomy. AI lets drones take off, navigate, and land on their own, reacting instantly to threats. If a new radar appears, the AI can reroute the drone in real time. Onboard AI processes massive data streams, identifying targets and turning raw information into actionable intelligence. The future is collaborative swarms of AI-powered drones working together, jamming radars, identifying targets, and striking, all without human micromanagement. This swarm intelligence can overwhelm even the most advanced defenses. AI transforms drones from simple tools into strategic assets. The combination of stealth and AI is redefining air power. The age of autonomous warfare has arrived. Stealth drones revolutionize military safety and strategy. Dangerous missions no longer risk pilots' lives. Operators remain safe, far from the battlefield. Drones can loiter for hours, building a complete picture before acting. Their persistent surveillance leads to smarter, more precise operations. Guided by sensors and GPS, they strike with pinpoint accuracy, minimizing collateral damage. The goal: make warfare more precise and less indiscriminate. Stealth, persistence, and precision give militaries a strategic edge and act as a powerful deterrent. The knowledge that an unseen observer could be overhead changes the calculus of power. The new battlefield is defined by information, subtlety, and technology. We stand at a crossroads in warfare. Autonomous stealth drones are transforming conflict, raising profound questions. As this technology spreads, will the world become safer or more dangerous? Constant surveillance and blurred lines between war and peace may become the norm. Who is responsible when an AI drone makes a mistake? The programmer, the commander, or the machine? The rise of lethal autonomous weapons forces us to confront new ethical dilemmas. The choices we make now will shape the future of conflict. The story of the stealth drone is still being written.